Welcome to 5876 Villa France Avenue, located in country French estates. Ideally situated only seconds from I-94, grocery stores, restaurants, banks, and an assortment of other conveniences. This 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-story home was built in 2001 and offers over 2,900 square feet of space. It sits on a professionally landscaped lot featuring mature pine trees in the backyard, creating privacy and enhancing views from the deck. The interior has plenty to offer as well, including a kitchen with upgraded cabinets, oversized island and granite counters, a family room with soaring cathedral ceiling and gas fireplace, and a master bedroom with a large walk-in closet. Join us while we tour this amazing home. Thanks for visiting 5876 Villa France Avenue. The nearby city of Ann Arbor is packed with great opportunities. With over 110,000 residents, Ann Arbor is one of the state's largest cities. As a cultural center for not only Michigan, but for the entire Midwest, Ann Arbor's lively art scene features exceptional musical and theatrical options, as well as some of the region's best visual arts opportunities. Coupled with the city's commitment to the arts is their commitment to the enjoyment and stewardship of its incredible park system, where you can explore countless natural areas, float along the Huron River, or get involved in a wide variety of individual and team sports.